everybody. I am Dr. Pawan Pai, neurologist at Gut Hospital, Mira Road. Today I will be speaking on stroke. Stroke is a disease which affects the blood vessel supplying to the brain. Stroke can occur if the blood vessel to the brain either gets blocked or if it occurs burst. In both situations, there can be stroke. Stroke is the third most common cause of death and disability. The causes of stroke are many, but most common among them is elevated blood pressure, uncontrolled diabetes, lack of exercise, sedentary lifestyle, high cholesterol levels, alcohol intake in excess, and smoking. Now, why is stroke an emergency? It is an emergency because it's the most common cause of disability if not treated in time, and 1 in 4 patients with stroke have a possibility of death within 1 year, and at least 30 to 50% of stroke patients have permanent disability, and at least 10 to 15% of these patients are less than 40 years of age. And for every hour that we miss the treatment of for the stroke, the brain ages by at least 3.6 years ahead. So how do we identify stroke in time? This can be done by a near and dear one. There is a mnemonic called as BFAST, wherein B stands for loss of balance, E stands for vision loss in one or both eyes, F stands for facial drooping or facial weakness on one side, A stands for weakness in one arm or leg, S stands for speaking difficulty or understanding difficulty, and T stands for time. Here time is brain, because if you detect stroke in time and reach to the hospital in that too within 4.5 hours, after doing a CT brain, we rule out a bleed in the brain, and then we can give something called as an IV thrombolytic agent or a clot buster like injection alteplase or tenecteplase, which can reverse the stroke if given within 4.5 hours window period. Suppose if we find that the artery to the brain is completely blocked, then within 6 hours there is another treatment modality called as mechanical thrombectomy, wherein we actually remove the clot and open up the vessel and the blood flow is restored. So these two treatments, if done in time, can save the patient from a lifelong disability or a bedridden state. Remember one thing, brain is an organ which does not regenerate, and it is one organ which cannot be transplanted like heart or kidney. So this is the only way to protect the brain damage, and if it is done in time, it can save lives too. Now, how do we avoid, how do we prevent from getting a stroke? This can be done by adopting a healthy lifestyle, having good 6 to 8 hours of sleep, and controlling blood pressure, diabetes mellitus, exercising, and also avoiding stress. So I request you all, this year's World Stroke Day theme is join the movement, which literally means that you have to exercise, you have to maintain a healthy lifestyle, avoid sedentary lifestyle, and keep moving. Thank you.